today, what we're going to do is engrave on this 11mm solid sterling silver pendant. We're going to engrave the names of two boys for their mom. And I'm going to make a necklace. What we're going to do is first start a new project. I'm going to show you how to use this jig, which is really useful. And I'm just going to insert this. It comes standard in the package. And I'm just going to tighten it. We've already calibrated it. The blue light is overlapping with the red one. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus, see the laser is moving. And then what we're going to do is move it to the side. Now we are going to take a real-time photo, press text, and on this I'm going to press here, see what it looks like with the name. One of the boys is Tom. Change it to something else. By the way, it's harder to see because it is score, which is the outline. I'm going to put it to engrave. What we want is something smaller. Rotate it. I'm going to frame it and see. That looks good. And I'm looking in the other direction, and that's looking good. From a previous video, we've explained that actually we have a tried and true formula for solid sterling silver. I'm going to put the information below. It's 100% power and the speed is 1,000 and lines per centimeter is 300. I'm going to do 2 passes and I'm just going to frame once more. Now what I'm going to do, we'll stop framing. I'm going to proceed, but always remember to close the lid, safety reasons. Press start and then it will send signal to the XTool control tablet. Now we're going to press. Excellent. Now, I'm going to take a look. Yay, that looks really good. That is 2 passes. I'm going to do 1 more pass. So that would be 3, and we will see what it'll look like. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click on this, and it says it's going to be 2 seconds. Excellent. I'm really happy with that. You know what? There's not much oxidation. I'm just going to demonstrate what will happen if we do a bit of cleaning. So I know that we can try cleaning at 30% power. We'll see what happens. Okay, I think we really like that. Awesome. What we're going to do now is instead of Tom, I'm going to put Jesse. So what we're going to do is make it smaller. So I have to click off the word and then I need it to go higher and more to the right. I'm going to frame again. I think I really like that. Now what we're going to do is have 100% power. We're going to have 3 passes. We're ready to do this. Oh, it's really nice. So this is the finished result. I'm really happy with that. Here's the pendant. I'm going to attach it with a 28 gauge sterling silver jump ring. This is 4mm, and at this thickness, you don't have to weld. It's always nice and looks more finished welded. So this is what it will look like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this is the right length for her. This is 16 before welding it. And should it be the case that she wants it to be shortened or wants it longer, I'm going to switch it to a different chain, customize the length, and then weld it finished. I think she will love this.